Hello, my name is Dyson and welcome to Yakutsk. I'm very pleased to highlight the events of the 8th Children's of Asia Games. Only a few moments are left until the ceremonial lighting of the Children's of Asia Games flame. The flame was traditionally lit in the national park at the foot of the Lena pillars covering all districts in its relay. The Children's of Asia Games held in Yakutsk since 1996 symbolize unity for Russia and bringing together children from many countries. Throughout the route, keepers guarded and passed on the flame, ensuring its safety. The flame was carried by 550 torchbearers, including 42 alumni of the past games. Each district welcomed the relay with top athletes and veterans. The relay covered over 37,000 kilometers. The long-awaited finish is the ceremonial lighting for the 8th Children's of Asia Games. Lighting the flame will mark the start of new competitions and victories, having already united over 15,000 young athletes. Many are from began their sport journey here. The main sport game of the year will take the place at 16 venues. Jumada Stadium is the central venue for the Children's of Asia Games, hosting the opening and closing ceremonies, as well as traditional athletics competitions. Basketball and dance sport competition will be held at Komsomol Square. At the LA Border, Ice Palace will host taekwondo, judo, and karate. The Raksun Sport Complex will feature boxing, gymnastics, and climbing. The 50 Years of Victory Sports Palace will accommodate football fans, while the Cholbon Pool will see the fastest swimmers compete. The largest sport complex, Triumph, will host wrestling events with space for about 3,000 visitors. Shooters will compete at Yuna Stadium. Other sports like mass wrestling, kickboxing, chess, and volleyball will take place at renovated complexes. In just few days, the first championship of Children's of Asia Sports Games will be crowned. Young athletes will compete in 25 sports including climbing, breakdancing, and mass wrestling. The tradition of animal mascots began in 1972 at Munich Olympics with Waldy the Dachshund. That year, wrestler Roman Dmitriev won the Olympic gold. Memorabilia is on display at the Children's of Asia Museum, showcasing every medal since 1996. Chief Judge Mirei Aksakhalov, a 2004 Games graduate, was the first to visit the updated hall. The 8th Games medal features the Sergei, a significant Yakut Hessian post, with the Games logo on the one side and the International Committee's logo on the reverse. The medal awarding group includes athletes, models, and cadet school students, with 72 volunteers chosen in total. In Yakutsk, the first international participant for the Children's of Asia Games has arrived, the Syrian team. The delegation includes 33 people, coaches, staff, organizers, and athletes. After an 8-hour flight covering over 6,000 kilometers, they were warmly greeted by the volunteers who assisted with luggage and transportation to their accommodations. One of the oldest traditions of the Games is the ceremonial raising of the national flag. The Syrian delegation raised the flag to the national anthem, symbolizing peace, friendship, and cooperation among nations. The Syrian team consists of 29 child athletes, 13 coaches, and 8 organizers, competing in boxing, judo, athletic, table tennis, wrestling, and rhythmic gymnastics. See you tomorrow. I'm looking forward to bringing you news from different sport events.